Routine maintenance checks on your vehicle aren't always easy, but when it comes to checking tires, there are several simple tips you can do at home with no experience needed. Start with a vehicle maintenance form. This helpful tool is used to track your car or truck's maintenance schedule. We recommend keeping a copy for each of your vehicles handy so that you know exactly when it's time to do maintenance checks on your tires. Measuring your tire tread depth helps you figure out how well your vehicle will stop, how it will handle in slippery conditions, how much life is left on your tires, and when it's time to buy a new set. The simplest way to measure tire tread is to find a penny and insert Lincoln's head upside down into the tread grooves. If Lincoln's whole head is showing, this means your tire only has 2 seconds of tread left and is legally bald. But check for uneven wear. The inside tread often wears down quicker than the outer tread. For just a few bucks, you can also purchase a tread depth tire gauge to measure how many 30 seconds of tread remain on your tires. Although you should definitely replace at 2 mark, due to harsh winter road conditions in the Midwest, we recommend tire replacement at 4 seconds or halfway up Lincoln's head to help with traction and handling. And when that day comes, we have a great selection of top tire brands available at Blain's Farm & Fleet. Maintaining proper tire pressure helps with traction, fuel economy, and to ensure your tires wear evenly. To check your vehicle's tire pressure, start by figuring out your recommended PSI. The PSI found on the sidewall of the tire itself is the max pressure, not the ideal tire pressure, which is a common misconception. On most cars and trucks, the ideal PSI for your tires is found on the inside of the driver's car door on the manufacturer's placard. Once you know your PSI, simply unscrew the air valve cap, make sure your tire pressure gauge is in its neutral position, place it over the top of the valve, and push down. The air pressure forces the gauge reader out to the exact PSI level of your tire. If the number on your pressure gauge is low, it needs some inflation. You can do this right at home with an air compressor, or come down to Blain's Farm & Fleet Service Center and have one of our expert technicians do it for free. Now you can check your vehicle's tires at home, but when routine maintenance falls outside your comfort zone, our service center is here to help. We offer a range of convenient services for cars and trucks, including brake inspections, suspension checks, wheel alignment, and free battery performance checks at any Blain's location. That's genuine value on automotive service from Blain's Farm & Fleet.